Hello everybody. Today we are going to model the twisting Chongqing tower building into the max very quickly. So let's get started. First, draw a box. Then convert to edit poly and polygon, delete polygon. The edge, shift, position, shift, okay. Down me. This model. No, okay. To edge select, then page. Okay. Then border, select and curve, select and curve. Finish. Then rotate and copy this model. No, cancel Angel snap. Okay, align X. Okay, then position together. A little okay, good position. That's all. Taller than this. Okay, it's good. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on modeling this building. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. I am waiting for you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.